Hi everyone, I'm Leonard. I'm here to present the OGP Hackathon project. As a quick recap, the team consists of me, Wing Yu, the data scientist, Purdy, our designer, and Daniel and Eric are engineers. When we first started the project, our hypothesis is that safe distancing measures require social distancing, and we believe that queue management will help to space people out. However, some organizations and agencies who deal with their citizens may not have such a system in place. So in order to validate our hypothesis, we went on the ground as a team to various different places. We went to the Meet the People session at Punggol and Yishun, and we realized that the queues were done using paper and pencils. We also talked to a PCS Sparkatots principal who mentioned that during the dismissal times, the parents would often crowd in front of the school, and a queue system might help to space them out. We also spoke to MSF and understand that for their social service officers, they have stopped accepting walk-ins, and they are looking to use an electronic queue to attend to the people online and using phone calls. So with that, we wanted to create a light queue system with the intent to enable anyone to set up a hybrid digital/manual queue for crowd control. So we thought through and we wanted the system to be able to fulfill these few criteria. It should allow a user to join a queue using their device either on-site or remotely. It should allow a user to easily leave and rejoin the queue. And it also should inform the user when it is their turn. And on the admin side of the house, we want the admins to be able to monitor and manage their queue, as well as to capture essential information while the people are waiting for their queue's turn. With that, I'll move over to the demo of our actual product. And if any of you are interested, you can scan this QR code to join the queue live, or the queue that I'll be using as a demo, or you can go to go.gov.sg/queue. So for the sake of the demo purposes, what I'll do is I will show the web form view, and we have a tablet view as well as a mobile view. So when you first land on the page, the first thing you realize is that it will tell you like what queue you are joining, and we will ask for your name and mobile number. In this case, we are asking for these two fields, but we are able to actually sort of personalize this to ask for other fields when necessary. We have also enabled multi-language support, which means that you can switch between English, Chinese, Malay, and Tamil, which are the four main languages in Singapore. In this case, let's say if I key in both my name and my mobile number, and I join the queue, you'll be assigned a queue number, and we sort of give some feedback of you as the person to just sort of verify information. We give you a sense of how many people are ahead of you, as well as the estimated waiting time. The page itself also refreshes at intervals of around 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'll now move. Yep. So you can see that when my queue number has been moved, the page also automatically reflects to say that you're next. So let me move on to the back end of the system. For the back end of the system, what we have done is we've used another tool called Trello, which allows us to sort of customize the number of columns and queues that we want to. And for queue admin, for them to move the queue is as simple as drag and dropping. So you can see this is my current queue number. If it's my turn, I can just drag it to consultation. And if you wait for a few seconds, you should see that it's my turn. And my queue number will be held for 3 minutes. In an event that, let's say, I have missed my turn and I move it up to missed turn, very quickly you also see that my queue number has already been caught and it's already expired, and I can easily also rejoin the queue. As a user, when I hit rejoin the queue, what happens is that my queue will be moved automatically from missed back to the queue section. And again, the basic information about how many people are in front of you and how much waiting time is shown. I can also at any point of time leave the queue. Yeah. So to also make it easy, what we have done also, we have created a TV view. This enables us to sort of track who is at where. So you imagine like in the polyclinic or in a hospital, there's those kind of TV screens. We created a view just for that. And with that, I'll move back to the slides. So what do we intend to do next? We intend to do some live testing. We are having follow-up conversations with the Meet the People session at both Yishun and Punggol, as well as MSF with their social service office to see if we can use the queue as a electronic queue system to sort of verify what we are doing and whether is it and how useful and how usable is it. In terms of development-wise, our main goal is to make queue available for anyone. So we have three main goals. One is to make it cheap, and what you have seen and what you have tested so far, it has cost us $0 to run out of the box. Everything is at the free tier. Of course, if you want other more features and functions to add on, but this means that anyone can create a queue system for free. And we wanted to make it very easy. It now just takes 4 steps and around 10 minutes of your time to create a queue for yourself. And I'll touch on that in the following slide. The last one,
Okay, the last thing
to make it is to make it available. So we are open sourcing our solution. And I will just keep the following slides. Yeah. Thanks.